So, good morning, Sir Philip Michael Awanan. I'm Juan Rene Ferrer from BSID 3D. And today is iti-demo ko yung basic structure ng paggawa ng VLAN. So, first thing first, maglalagay tayo dito ng switch. After the switch, lalagay tayo ng PC. Kaya maglagay dito ng tatlong PC. Yan. Yung PC. So, yan. As you can see here, these three PCs serves as our VLAN, um, VLAN 1. So, connect lang po natin yan via straight through cable. And Ethernet po nila is from 1 to 5. Connect lang po natin. So, ganun lang po kasimple. And proceed po tayo sa paggawa ng VLAN number 2. So, this group serves as our VLAN. VLAN 1. Ayan. So, let's put second VLAN group. Another PC. Excuse me. So, gaya po ng nauna is connect lang po natin to through straight cable. This second set naman po, makikita po natin dito na dahil nga ginamit natin yung Ethernet cable ng VLAN 1 sa fast Ethernet 1 to 5. So, in this second set, mag-start naman tayo sa 6. So, as you can see, maglalaktaw tayo ng dalawa and mag-start tayo sa 6. Ang purpose naman po nun is once na kinonect po natin siya in other VLAN group is may mga space and ports na pwede pa natin gamitin na if ever na ka-error yung isang port, pwede natin siya ilipat. So, here, we're done in our VLAN VLAN 2. Let's name it VLAN 2. So, let's make another set kasi magde-demo tayo ng apat. Apat, apat na VLAN group. So, here, de-deploy ulit tayo ng PC. So, same process. Connect natin siya via straight through. But this time, fast Ethernet naman na niya is 11 to 15. So, let's connect. There you go. So, this will serve as our VLAN 3. So, lapit-lapit na tayo sa last part. So, here, gagawa naman tayo ulit ng another set, and which is the last set, VLAN group. So, here, so again, connect natin straight through. PC to switch. This last group will be starting at 16 to 20. Sa kanila naman yung 16 to 20 port. This group serves as our VLAN 4. And there you have it. So, para makagawa tayo ng access port, trunk port, um, kailangan ulit natin gumawa ng panibagong group group of VLAN. So in this part, magde-deploy ulit tayo ng isa pang switch here, then another group of VLAN ulit. So connect lang po natin sila ulit gamit ang straight through. So our second set of our VLAN. So in this second set, this first group will serves as the VLAN 1 ulit. So uh, VLAN 1. So and second set, okay, VLAN 2. And then so first set is ang port nila is 1 to 5. Then sa second set, mag-start tayo sa 6 hanggang 10. Connect lang natin. Straight through. Natin. 6 to 10. Here we go. So, our second set of VLAN is done. So let's just mark this one. So this set will serve as VLAN 2. And gawa naman tayo ng tatlong VLAN. Let's just put two PC in here. Yan. So Go. Connect lang po natin. So, uh, serve sa hour 11. 11 to 15. So, this set serve as our VLAN 3. Go. And the last one is VLAN 4. Kaya naman natin maglagay na apat na PC. So, PC will serve as 16 to 20. So, let's start. And so there you have it. So as you can see, uh, tapos na natin yung second set ng uh, VLANs. We're just going to mark this as VLAN 4. There you go. So here would be our final part, which is we will going to uh, demo kung paano gawin yung access port. VLAN with access port and VLAN with trunk port. So to connect these two sets of VLANs as access port, we need to use another cable, but this time hindi na straight through yung gagamitin natin. This time it would be the copper crossover na. So, let's connect. So, kaya kanina na there's some ports na we leave. Uh, Bale, yun yung magiging purpose ng mga na-leave na ports para i-connect itong dalawang VLAN set as access uh, as VLAN with access port. So, let's start. So, yung first set is VLAN 1 is meron siyang 1 to 5. So, let's put in cable fast Ethernet 5, then ganun din dito sa kabila. Next would be the 6 to 10. So let's just choose the last one, which is 10, and ganun din sa kabila. Next would be the 11 to 15. Let's just choose 15. Ganun din sa kabila, 15. And the last one would be the 16 to 20. There you go, it. So, as we can see here, tapos na natin ipakita yung basic structure ng paggawa ng VLAN with access port. As you can see here, connected po lahat. So, kapag so we can see here, push na, then save natin to, save as VLAN with no access port Ferrera. There you go. And para mas madali ko pong ma-demo yung trunk port, is i-delete lang po natin isa-isa yung mga cables. So as you can see, wala na po yung mga cables. Pero sa trunk port naman, ang gagawin naman po natin is isang connection lang sa dalawang set ng VLANs natin. So we can as we can see kanina, maraming ports, and gagamitin natin is fast Ethernet ulit. Then let's connect. So let's see if magko-connect. So there you have it. As you can see, successful yung connection. So that would be all, sir. Thank you.